Come test drive the 2017 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.